And the state's approaching the witness with what's been pre-marked as state's exhibits 1A through J, which have been previously shown to defense.
Okay.
Okay, you may approach him.
Now, Ms. Walton, if you can take your time, go through each one of these images, and then look up when you're finished.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep,
Do you recognize these photographs?
I do.
How do you recognize them?
They're of my driveway and my house in the walkway.
Yeah. And do these photographs capture a fair and accurate depiction of the front areas of your home as it appeared after you called 911 on August 31st of 2023?
It does.
And at this time, the state would move into evidence states 1A through 1J.
No objection.
All right, A1 through AJ will be admitted. You may publish them at your leisure.
Yes, the state would publish at this time through an exact digital copy.
Just let the bailiffs know, let Carl and Fitz know if you need lights turned on.
Let's see how it shows up.
Okay.
So for the record, the state will start with states 1A. For Ms. Walton, there is a perfect. Okay. Maybe a slight
Which button was it on here? Top one or that one?
on the side.
I got that on.
And then just press the red button
The red
down
one.
the whole time that you want to be. All right. So this is 1A. And Ms. Walton, is this of you looking straight towards your house from the road?
Yes.
Okay. And using the pointer, could you just kind of point for the jury where your bedroom area is?
Right up in here.
Okay. And if we're looking at that image, where, obviously it's obstructed, but where would your front door be?
That window is the office window, and my front door is literally right next to it, so it goes around the garage.
All right. And this is states 1B. And can you point for the jury where the blood marks are that you see in this image?
Oh, there's a trail that goes all the way around right in here.
And I see your truck in this image. What's underneath the gray covering that we see?
It's an old Chevy vehicle truck.
Can you folks hear the witness, jurors?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, they're having a tough time. I'm having a tough time too. It's difficult.
Okay.
You're looking at the
I
photo
know.
and the
Yeah,
witness
let me
side.
hold
Yep.
this a little closer, and I'll try and lean over. Do we need to start over with those? Do we need to start over? Oh, that's good.
okay. And you said that's a Chevy.
Yeah, it's an old classic vehicle that my husband is working on.
All right. And so states 1C. Some additional blood. States 1D. So is this on the other side of that Chevy?
It is.
And where does your front pathway start that leads to your door in this image?
Right here.
States 1E. So is this the front pathway?
It is. You came right where I pointed to that one in the last slide. You actually walk this way and walk up.
Okay, so that direction is the front door.
Is the front door. Yes.
And does this show your front door?
It does.
And that's 1F. I've got 1G. And can you point for the jury? Do you see any footprints in this image?
I do. I see a partial right there, and I see one right there, and right there. Possibly right there, too.
So is that what you first saw when you opened the door in the 911 call?
I saw that whole pile of it. That is what I saw, yes.
And this is 1H. in one eye. What are we looking at here?
The wall where my Ring doorbell is?
Okay. So is that to the side of your front door?
It is.
And you said that the camera itself wasn't functioning at that time.
Not very well. It picked up barely anything, so.
And then this is 1J. Can you tell a jury, do you see any blood on that doorbell?
I do. I see it right here and right there.
Thank you.
Yes.
I'm going to shut it off. So if we can have the lights, please, deputy. All right. Now, did you speak with police about what you had seen that night?
I did.
All right. In your honor, a moment to confer.
You may.
No further questions at this time.
Okay. Defense, when you're ready.
Good morning, Ms. Walton. How are you?
Good morning. I'm well. How are you?
Doing well. How long have you lived at 1200 Malakout Road?
It'll be 3 years in January.
So you had basically just moved there back in August of 23, correct?
It will have been, yeah, it was that year.
Okay,
It's
so
January to August, yes.
so you'd only lived there about 8 months.
8 months.
Okay. And you said that the house next to you was a rental, so it was vacant at that time?
It was vacant at the time.
How long had it been vacant for?
Probably about 6 months.
Okay. And you said that Malakout Road is a small little area. Is there a cul-de-sac there or something?
No, it's like a group of 3 streets that kind of come around in a circle, and that a couple of them cut through, but they loop around. There's only like 2 ways in and out, and it's kind of tucked. There's no cross through. You have to all go out the front.
It's on the backside of like Toledo Blade Elementary School down there,
is,
correct?
correct.
Okay. And your neighbors, the Towers, became friends pretty quickly.
They did.
You said that you would go see each other monthly, correct?
We would all, a few of us that had houses right there would actually meet in the street and just hang out about once a month. And then they would come over, about twice a week during the week or on the weekend.
And your oldest was only a couple years younger than Mr. Tower, correct?
Correct.
All right. Did they ever socialize together?
No.
When you say that you met Mr. Tower briefly, in the 8 months, how many times do you think that you saw him?
A handful. Okay. He wasn't around most of the time. I think he had just come back from wherever he was.
When you did see him and talk to him, were there any conversations with him, or was it pretty quick or just see him?
It was brief. He came to my house 2 days prior to this because, as I mentioned, my husband was helping him fix his vehicle.
Okay. And was that the most exposure that you had to him a couple days before that?
Yes.
Did he seem socially adept to you?
Sustained.
Okay. But again, your oldest didn't have any kind of social interaction with him whatsoever.
No, sir.
And even though you guys were having these parties on a regular basis, you didn't have any additional social interaction with him, correct?
Nope.
All right. And when your husband was working on the car with him the week prior, you didn't have any interactions with him then either?
I did not.
Okay. But your husband did?
Yes.
Obviously? Okay.
Yes.
Do you know what part of the car they were working on?
No, I don't know.
If I could have a moment, Judge.